Good morning. So in the last class, we have discussed about four-stroke SI engine or four-stroke petrol engine. Today we will be discussing about four-stroke diesel engine, or you can say it as four-stroke CI engine. The four-stroke CI engine is similar to four-stroke SI engine, but it operates at a much higher compression ratio. The compression ratio for an SI engine is between 6 to 10, while for CI engine, it is between 16 to 20. In the CI engine, during the suction, air instead of fuel-air mixture is inducted. Due to the high compression ratio, the temperature at the end of compression stroke is sufficiently high to self-ignite the fuel, which is injected into the combustion chamber. In CI engines, a high-pressure fuel pump and an injector are provided to inject the fuel into the combustion chamber. The carburetor and ignition system necessary in SI engine are not required in case of CI engine. So let's see how does a CI engine will be working. In CI engine, the first stroke is our suction stroke. It is same as the intake stroke in an SI engine with one major difference. In case of SI engine, the air and fuel mixture is inducted during the suction stroke, but in case of CI engine, no fuel is added to the incoming air. Air alone will be inducted during the suction stroke. During this, the intake valve is open and exhaust is closed. A pressure difference will be generated, and due to this differential pressure, the air will be inducted into our intake system. Then our second stroke is compression, which is again same as that in case of SI engine, except that only air is compressed and compression is at much higher pressure and temperature. Late in the compression stroke, when the compression stroke is going to end, just before it, the fuel is injected directly into the chamber where it mixes with very hot air, which causes the fuel to evaporate and self-ignite, causing the combustion to start. During this stroke, again, as similar to SI engine, both the valves will remain closed. The third is our expansion. The fuel injection starts nearly at the end of compression stroke. The rate of injection is such that the combustion maintains the pressure constant in spite of piston movement on its expansion stroke increasing the volume. The heat is thus assumed to be added at constant pressure. After the injection of fuel is completed, that is, after the cutoff, the product of combustion expand. Both the valve remain closed during this expansion stroke. Then the power stroke. The power stroke continues as the combustion ends and the piston travel towards BDC. Exhaust blowdown will be same as that in case of SI engine. That is, during the end of power stroke, exhaust valve will open, and due to the pressure difference, the product of combustion will start leaving the engine cylinder. And finally, the exhaust stroke, it will also be same as with SI engine. When the piston starts moving from bottom dead center to top dead center, the exhaust blowdown have already been completed, and the product of combustion will now be pushed out with the help of piston movement. Exhaust valve is open and intake valve is closed. Due to higher pressure in the cycle of operations, the CI engine has to be more sturdy than an SI engine for the same output. This results in CI engine being heavier than SI engine. However, it has a higher thermal efficiency on the account of high compression ratio of about 18 as against about 8 which are used in case of SI engine. Since both SI and CI engines have very much in common in case of four-stroke engine, it is worthwhile to compare them based on important parameters like basic cycle of operation, fuel injection, compression ratio. The detailed comparison have been done in our next video. Thank you.